Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how to reset your Blooket password. Now if you can't remember your Blooket account password, then this video will help you to reset your passwords. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video without further delay. Firstly, you need to open any web browser of your choice. And there on the URL, search for blooket.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will end up in the official page of Blooket. Now there, you have to tap on the login button at the top right of your screen. And there, you will be taken to the login page. And from there, you have to tap on forget password link at the bottom of the login page. You will taken to the next page. Now you have to type in the email address that is associated with the Blooket. Now once you're done with typing in your email address, tap on send email button and here reset email has been sent. Now open up your Gmail account and there you will be able to see this reset password button. Tap on that button. And then a new tab will open up on your screen where you will be able to reset your password. Now in order to reset your password, you have to type in the email address again. And then in the next box, you have to create a new password for a Blooket account. Now once you create a new password, you have to retype that password in the third box. And once you're done with creating your password and confirming your password, tap on reset button. Now here, your password has been successfully reset. Now tap on login button and there type in the username or the email address and then type in the password that you have created. And once you're done with typing in your credentials, tap on let's go button. And after that, you will be successfully get logged into your Blooket account. Now that's all it takes to reset your Blooket account password. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now that's it for today and I will see you in the next one.